Jyre from CharacterScope, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a team and invite your colleagues. So if you log into your account at my.characterscope.com and just scroll down to the My Teams section here on your home page and click on this button here to create a new team. In this page you'll be able to give your team a name and choose a graphic for your team, and you can update the name of the team and your graphic later on in your team dashboard. Then to invite your colleagues, so there's two options here. You can either copy the link and send a personalised message to your colleagues, inviting them to join your team, or you can use the platform invite system, which you simply enter an email address, click send, and the platform will send an email to them, inviting them to join your team. So there's advantages to both of these. By using the copy link functionality, you can personalise the invite and it's coming from you directly. With the platform invitation, it's coming from the CharacterScope system, but you can track your invites in here so you can see when your invites are pending. You can just continue at this stage if you want to invite people later, and that'll take you to your team dashboard where you'll be asked if you want to share your personal reports with the team. So you can say no to begin with, and I'll show you where to update that in a moment. So this is your team dashboard. At the moment, you'll be the only person in there until your colleagues join you. And you'll see here is the option to invite more people. And once you've got more people in your team, you'll be able to see them populate in this dashboard below, and your team solo and viewpoints reports will start to appear here once you've got more than 2 people in the team. To update your settings, just go here, change the name of your team, change your graphic, update your sharing options. That's all in this section here. And then to get back to your team, when you next log in, you'll be able to do that either from the home page down in My Teams, so you can see your teams appeared there, or up here in the top nav. You can access your teams from there as well. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Do contact us if you've got any questions at all.